Namaste, myself JVN Gaurav Goyal. Today we are going to discuss about the session essential care of patient who has colostomy indication. ठीक है, colostomy. Okay, in the BSCRT 7 SEM, the course name is patient care, positioning and immobilization. Let we start about the essential care of patient who has colostomy. Colostomy indications: colon or rectal cancer, chronic inflammatory bowel disease, diverticular disease. Means diverticular disease means diverticula is formed inside. Diverticular disease, irradiation damage and trauma, any injury, any severe bleeding are among the top health issues that leads to the need for a temporary or permanent colostomy. Colorectal cancer is the fourth most common cancer, and colorectal cancer is the fourth most common cancer, and the second most common causes of cancer related death: Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Crohn's disease means infection of ileum, and the ulcerative colitis means in the colon inflammation developed by the ulcer, are chronic inflammatory bowel disease. That these two are the chronic inflammatory bowel disease that present according to the location and severity of the disease. Traditional treatment such as steroid treat the symptom of inflammation but not the actual disease. Crohn's disease most commonly affects the end of the small intestine and the beginning of the large intestine. Pouching option: the initial pouching system will be guided by product availability at the hospital but can be changed as needed. Selection of a pouching system will depend on the characteristics of the abdomen and the location of the stoma, as well as the patient's preference and ability. A pouching system should provide predictable and reliable wear time. Wear time is the ability to maintain a seal for a predictable amount of time with no leakage between applications and removal of the pouching system. Wear time depends on the stomal characteristics and consistency of the stool. If the stoma means the opening, is flush or retracted, or if it is located in an abdomen, crease or fold, wear time could be compromised. A pouching system should be comfortable, secure, and easy to manage no matter what type of system the patient choose to use. A pouching system that fits and adheres well will keep the stoma and skin healthy. Ostomy pouching system are available as one or two pieces appliances. A two-piece system has a skin barrier and a pouch. A skin barrier is a part of the system that adheres to the skin and should fit snugly around the stoma so peristomal skin is not exposed. Thank you. The session is over. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jayoti Vidya Women's University. Again, thank you.